Introducing the FT6041 from Hioki. Not just an earth tester, it's your dependable ally in challenging outdoor environments. Designed with precision, it ensures accurate grounding measurements even under extreme conditions. Equipped for any climate, from intense heat to severe cold, its broad operating temperature ensures dependable long-term performance. Dust-proof and waterproof, the FT6041 is built for toughness, able to withstand drops up to a meter, ensuring lasting reliability. Streamline your tasks by directly measuring earth resistance without disconnecting ground electrodes. The combination of fast measurement capabilities and easy-to-use cord rewinder shortens work times. From the 3-pole method for measuring ground resistance to the 4-pole method for assessing soil resistivity, and even low-resistance measurements, this earth tester covers it all. The FT6041 from Hioki, embodying field-capable and fast-working excellence. Discover more on our website.